Today we're going to make a one-pan seafood dinner.
Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love creative recipes, click and subscribe right now.
We're going to be using some Chilean sea bass, and you can also use cod, which is more affordable. We're going to add some wonderful vegetables here, including celery, carrots, onion, ginger, garlic, and some wonderful aromatics of bay leaf, thyme, and the optional cinnamon stick. We're going to be actually making a foil pocket to cook everything in, so it's going to steam and produce its own sauce. Take the bottom side of the fish, add it dry, touch of extra virgin olive oil, touch of white pepper, something new, some celery salt. I'm going to take some mustard, brush it on. Same thing on the other side. So Chilean sea bass, the original name it's a Patagonian toothfish, and they changed the name in the 1970s as a way to get American diners to actually enjoy to eat the food. I don't suppose you would order something called the Patagonian toothfish on a menu. So I think it did work. Touch of white pepper. It's a very mild flavor too, similar to black cod, but not as strong in flavor. So now we're going to add all the other ingredients. I'm going to save the herbs for the very end. Take some garlic cloves. 3 large garlic cloves is enough. Right now I'm going to use 4. I'm going to smash it. Going right on there. Zucchini. This was already washed. Just going to keep it rustic like that. And I'm going to do slightly bigger chunks. You know, zucchini has a lot of water, so it's going to basically cook down to nothing. 60 grams worth of celery here. Same amount of carrots. And onion. It's a large sweet Vidalia onion, and we're just going to take 1/3 of that. We could just slice it following the contour of the onion. Break it up. Now we've got to season the vegetables with that celery salt, touch of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Just pour that right on top. I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of coconut milk. There's a lot of vegetables to cover. I'm going to also add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of distilled water. It's going to help this come together as a sauce. And now we're going to add the herbs, 5 sprigs of thyme, 1 optional cinnamon stick, right there, and 2 bay leaf. Okay. Before I forget, we're also going to add some warming spices. 1 warming spice, some fresh ginger. We're just going to cut. Right on there. Second piece of foil is going on top, and we're going to make a foil pocket. So ends that way. Make sure the ends touch. Begin folding, pinching, and folding all the ends in. So the fish is gonna steam, and all that steam is gonna turn into moisture, which is gonna keep this fish super moist, flavorful, healthy, and definitely not dry. Okay, that's ready. Now this is going in the oven, and we're gonna go at 375 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. All right guys, it's been 1 hour. See all the juices here. And I'm just gonna open this up and I'll show you guys. Careful, it's hot. See the beautiful fish? It's flaky. Look how it falls apart. You have all that wonderful sauce. And like always, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all my latest recipes. This wonderful fish smells so good, and it's reminded me of another dish that I made that it's a little bit different because it has some citrus in there. You can always add some fresh citrus, like some lime juice or lemon juice, to this fish at the end. But it's a citrus cured salmon, a little marinade recipe going on that turns into a wonderful sauce as well. So check out the video after this. Take care and see you for the next episode.